Hello and welcome to this Open Virtual Platforms demonstration and presentation. What we're going to see today is a little about the Open Virtual Platforms and how they're used to do software development. So the Open Virtual Platforms makes it very easy to create platform models using peripherals and processors, and actually you can build models of processors and peripherals. They're instruction accurate, you get full programmer's view and registers, and you use them for software development, and you only model what's needed so you get a complete environment, and you can connect to third-party debuggers. What we're going to do here is look at a very simple self-contained demonstration. It actually uses the open cores, open risk OR1K model. We're going to have a look at this, and we're going to look at the different components. We're going to look at the platform, look at the application, and see how it runs. The platform we're going to be showing is really a CPU where we have some memory for code, data, and heap, and stack, and it is very simple. So without further ado, let's do this. The first thing I'm going to do is to come to the Open Virtual Platforms website here. We'll go to the download page, we'll go to the Open Cores page, and here we'll download the OpenRISC. So we now have it on our machine. It wasn't very large. We will now install this, which we have now done. We will now come into the directory where we've just installed it, go into the demo directories, and let's have a look at some of the files. The first file that we will look at is the platform file here, which is a C program, runs natively. We will then compile that with a standard GCC or C compiler. So we can see here we have a main main program here, simulate, which instances a processor. We have a variety of arguments that go in there, which is the name that it's going to have, what type it is. These would have been passed in by the make file. So that's declaring and instancing it in the platform. We're then basically going to load a memory with the application, call the simulator, and just check why we've stopped. And that's basically all that we need to do. This harness that we've got has a little bit more in it, which basically will ask us some questions whether we want to continue and things like that. So that's the simple platform. We're now going to have a look at a variety of different examples. Obviously a simple example would be something like a Fibonacci series, where we have a main which does a Fibonacci series. So now what we're going to do is do that. So we have an executable we've pre-compiled earlier of the example, and what we're going to do is double click on it, brings us up into a window. We can now type in, say, linpack elf, let it run. Sorry, linpack.elf. So I'll start that again. Got to get the note. linpack.elf. That's now running, and we'll see on this. This is a CPU here is just 2 gigahertz laptop that we're running that on, and we can see we got 480 MIPS. So that would be about 700 MIPS for this OpenRISC 32-bit processor if you're running on a 3 gigahertz Pentium. We can, as I say, we can do several different examples. That was the linpack. We could do a Fibonacci. Have that run, see how long that takes. So you can see we're actually using the same platform, which is a processor and some memory, code, and heap, and the outcome of that is that we get a simulator that runs very simply. Here, this is a Windows XP SP2 machine, and we're getting performance on this 2 GHz machine of somewhere up to 300 or 400 MIPS, which would relate to sort of 500 MIPS on a 3 GHz desktop machine that we have. Now obviously I'm just using this by double clicking the windows. You could be in a shell environment and be passing in arguments. And there it is that it's run, and we can see this executed in this short time. 16 billion instructions gave us a simulated millions of instructions of 345. So in terms of a demonstration, that was really just to show you to get started. I suggest you download it and have a look. You can see that it's very simple to do, so please do have a go and have a try. If you come to the website, you can see here on the examples on the right here of the different things that we have that you can download. If it is in orange, then it's available for download at the moment, and you can see there's a couple for the open RISC, and if we went to the other examples, we'd see there were some for the ARM and the MIPS as well. So thank you very much for watching. Please do download the examples and let us know how you get on. Thank you.